The best ski helmets provide top-tier protection, comfort, and performance for skiers of all levels. Featuring advanced safety features such as multi-impact protection, these helmets help prevent head injuries while ensuring optimal fit. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best ski helmets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which sports and outdoors topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Giro Ledge MIPS ski helmet delivers rugged protection, precision fit, and superior ventilation, making it a top choice for skiers and snowboarders. Built with a multi-directional impact protection system and a hard-shell construction, it provides a strong outer shell fused to an EPS foam liner for reliable impact absorption. Whether carving down steep slopes or navigating the terrain park, this helmet offers confidence-inspiring durability. Its Auto-Lock 2 Fit system features an adjustable elastic band that secures comfortably with 3 circumference settings. The on-the-fly vertical tuning ensures a customized fit while seamlessly integrating with goggles. To prevent fogging, the stack vent aligns with your goggles, keeping them clear, while the super cool vents allow warm air to escape, maintaining optimal comfort. Designed for seamless compatibility with Giro EXV goggles, including the Axis, Ella, and Block models, this helmet ensures a perfect fit. It also supports Giro's aftermarket audio systems by Outdoor Tech, so you can enjoy music on the slopes. Additional features include removable ear pads and a goggle retainer, allowing for easy customization. The Smith Nexus ski helmet delivers top-tier protection, comfort, and performance for serious skiers and snowboarders. Featuring hybrid shell construction, it combines a tough outer shell with a lightweight in-molded interior, ensuring durability where needed while keeping weight to a minimum. Complete choroid coverage enhances energy absorption while providing superior ventilation. The MIPS safety system helps reduce rotational forces from impacts, and the exoskeleton reinforces side zones for additional protection. Certified to ASTM F 2040 and CEEN 1077:2007 Class B standards, this helmet meets rigorous safety requirements. Designed for seamless integration, the Air Evac ventilation system works with Smith goggles to eliminate fogging. The BOA 360 Fit system allows precise micro-adjustments with a simple dial, while the Fidlock strap buckle ensures effortless one-handed operation. Removable ear pads provide customizable comfort, and the Ionic Plus lining offers sweat-activated odor control. Dual regulator climate control enables easy vent adjustments with one hand, keeping the temperature just right. The OutdoorMaster Kelvin 2 ski helmet is built for winter enthusiasts who demand protection, comfort, and performance. Designed to pair seamlessly with OutdoorMaster ski goggles, this helmet ensures a perfect fit for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow sports. Its durable ABS outer shell, reinforced with high-density EPS foam, absorbs impact effectively, providing top-tier safety on the slopes. With 14 strategically placed air vents, the Kelvin 2 optimizes airflow while shielding against biting winds, maintaining a perfect balance of warmth and ventilation. The interior features a removable cushioned lining and soft earmuffs, delivering extra warmth and comfort during long days on the mountain. A plush, adjustable chin strap secures the fit without discomfort, while the user-friendly dial system allows precise size customization. Lightweight yet robust, this helmet reduces head strain, letting you focus on carving turns and conquering terrain with ease. Available in multiple sizes, it ensures a snug, secure fit. Simply measure your head circumference above the ears for accurate sizing. The Sena Latitude S1 is a cutting-edge snow helmet that blends safety, communication, and entertainment into one sleek design. With built-in Bluetooth intercom technology, this helmet allows you to connect with up to 3 other riders within a 0.6-mile range in open terrain, all without needing a smartphone or data connection. The 1-to-1 HD intercom ensures crystal-clear conversations, making it easy to coordinate with your group on the slopes. With an 8-hour talk time and a quick 3-hour recharge, you'll stay connected throughout your ride. Designed for both performance and comfort, the Latitude S1 features an impact-resistant shell that provides excellent protection while remaining lightweight. The active ventilation system with 18 adjustable vents helps regulate airflow, preventing overheating during intense runs and keeping you warm in colder conditions. The plush, audio-ready earpads not only provide comfort, but also enhance sound clarity, so you can stream music, take calls, or hear GPS directions hands-free via Bluetooth pairing with your smartphone. This helmet is built for skiers and snowboarders who demand more than just protection. Whether you're carving down steep terrain or waiting at the lift, the Sena Latitude S1 keeps you connected, comfortable, and entertained, making it an essential piece of gear for your winter adventures. The Giro Emerge Spherical Ski Helmet delivers top-tier protection with an MIPS Spherical system, a multi-directional impact protection system designed to reduce rotational forces during impacts. The D2 construction pairs 2 densities of expanded polypropylene foam, providing superior energy absorption for both high and low-speed crashes. The Stash Fit system offers full customization with 3 padding configurations. Riders can opt for no padding, medium padding, or thicker padding to achieve their perfect fit. The helmet also features a built-in liner pocket and dual-density ear pads, ensuring both comfort and warmth. For ventilation, Giro's stack vent aligns seamlessly with goggle vents to prevent fogging, allowing for a clear, uninterrupted view in all conditions. Seamless compatibility with all Giro goggles ensures a precise fit, maximizing comfort and efficiency on the slopes. Additional features include a removable goggle retainer and ear pads, an internal strap channel, and compatibility with Giro's aftermarket audio systems by Outdoor Tech, perfect for those who enjoy music while riding. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.